Happy September 4th, everybody. And in this video today, you can see that Polygon is upgrading to Pol. And save the day, September 4th. Yes, MATIC goes to Pol. And in the video, I am going to cover how to convert your MATIC tokens to Pol tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, and only the Ethereum blockchain. If you want any other information on how to do that migration, you don't need to do it if you hold your MATIC on their native chain. If you hold it on others, I'll leave this video, or sorry, I'll leave this page on the bottom of the video. But if MATIC holders on Polygon, nothing is required. So what we're going to do is move over to the portal.polygon.technology/pol-upgrade, the URL right up here. And the first thing that we're going to need to do prior to converting your MATIC coins to Pol coins is you're going to need to connect the wallet. So let's go ahead and connect. I'm going to use MetaMask. I'm going to unlock. And here we have the wallet that I'm going to be using. It is on the Ethereum blockchain, and you'll see that my MATIC of 62.63 has shown up. And what we're going to first do is I'm going to only do 25%, just because I'm trying to show you guys, and it may or may not work. Let's make sure that I'm signed in to my ledger. Okay, you guys didn't see, but I went through, tried to do a migration from MATIC to Pol, and it failed, and it took a little bit of digging, but it was because I had just upgraded the ledger and the Ethereum app on it before I did this, because that makes it that much easier. But I forgot, or actually I didn't know, that you had to have blind signing turned on my ledger. Always be aware that when you update your Ethereum app or update, the firmware, which then updates your apps, it will take it back to the default of turning off blind signing. So let's try that again. We're going to do 25%. We're going to upgrade 15.65 MATIC to 15.65 Pol, and we're going to hit upgrade. Okay, it seems that I am in my MetaMask wallet now, and we're sending 15.66, and I'm getting 15.66 Pol back. I'm going to hit confirm, and I'm going to go ahead and look at my ledger, review transaction, accept, risk, and send. That's what it says now. Accept, risk, and send. Okay. Well, that was much faster than the last time it failed. So there we have it. Congratulations. You've upgraded from 15.65 MATIC to 15.65 Pol. Was successful. You can track your transactions on Etherscan. So I'm not necessarily going to do that, but I am going to go ahead and look at my MetaMask wallet, and I'm going to see, let's go ahead and take a look at the tokens. And, well, right now it's just showing that. I guess I'm going to have to import the two tokens. So there's MATIC and Pol. I'm going to import those two. And I have I have now 15.65 Pol. So that's all you really had to do. I had to, jump through a couple hoops, make sure that things are enabled on your ledger or other hardware wallet. But it's pretty straightforward and simple. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day.